there, welcome to another video. I'm on a ladder. I'm going to show you how I installed this floodlight in this video, so let's get into it. Alrighty, we are going to be installing this floodlight up there on a hard wire. Now, the first things first is, wow, it's very bright. You need to have a wire that you are connecting this to. And for me, I installed that wire while building this house. If you need to run more wire, find something close by that you can connect to and then go from there. But we're gonna just start off from having the wire and go into it. Second thing second, first thing second, I don't know. Pancake, gotta get the pancake up there, so let's get that in. Oh, I got this on. Wire coming out here. We gotta trim it up. We got this bracket on now. And then we have some nuts here. So we cut this wire down to here. Alrighty, now we got the wires connected. Green, the neutral, or the ground, white, white, black, black. And then we just put this bad boy up like that, screw it in. Hi to your fans.
Goodbye.
Still have the same crazy dogs in our neighborhood.
What's it? Who's that?
This.
Who is it?
Blue, green.
What's her name?
Girls.
Girls? No.
Gecko.
Gecko. Alright, we got this. It was actually just done a second ago. But yeah, this is on. You see that blinking a little bit. Anyways, that was blinking, so that's on. I had to get a different screw for that because it's so shallow, but I'm gonna caulk around the edges here and then get another bulb. So that's looking pretty good. Like I said, when I turn on the electricity again, it came on. But now the detector has been working, and so now it's off. So that's a good sign. Good to go. Let me know if you have any comments or questions in the comment section, and we'll get back to y'all. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and go check out the rest of the series. Alrighty, how you do a floodlight. See you later. See you out there. Toodaloo.